I'm drinking. An Absolut Hunk. You're a drink. And you're delish.
So, rewatching Sex and the City and doing this TV cocktail list, how can I not add our favorite hunk, the Absolut Hunk? Oh! So, I did a little research. There's a few little recipes going on. It's about the same ingredients, just the measurements change. So, I decided to go with Absolut's version of the Absolut Hunk. Now they just call it Hunk because apparently they were sued by our Absolut Hunk when they used the fake billboard, the Times Square, the Absolut Hunk billboard ad in their real ads for Absolut without his permission. He sued them, so they had to stop. So now they don't call it Absolut Hunk, they just call it Hunk. I see you, Absolut, trying to cheat your way. I see you. So let's see if your version of this cocktail is delicious. We don't know until we try it. Since you cheated our man by using his image without his permission, I don't feel too bad about the fact that I have to cheat you guys a little bit. So yes, it's called the Absolut Hunk because they use Absolut in the cocktail. So what I've read was they use Absolut Vanilla. I have Citron. And I don't use a big enough Absolut Vanilla to get even half of a bottle, this small bottle or big bottle. And I couldn't find a small one, so we're gonna have to go with Diddy with this one. Sorry guys. Sorry, but I have you guys right here. But yeah. We're gonna have to go with that. Sorry guys. Sorry, not sorry, but yeah, a little bit. I feel bad. But this vanilla just smells like a vanilla bean. Okay. So the recipe I have here from Absolut.com is we are going to do 1.5 ounces of vanilla vodka. So let's see, where am I? Okay. So 1.5 ounces. I just made it. Woo! Woo! I better make it right then, because okay. One shot Betty. Here we go. Okay, so that was 1.5 ounces of vanilla vodka. Then we're gonna do our lime juice, fresh lime juice. Give it a little shake. That's gonna be 2/3 of an ounce of lime juice. So wait. Trying to make sure I got it. Okay, so that's 2 1/3 ounce of lime juice. Okay. Now I'm getting nervous because I don't have enough to make it over. I want to make sure I get it correct. So then for simple syrup, they want 1/3 of an ounce. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's a little bit. Okay. Just a little bit, not even this whole thing. Okay. And then they want the same amount of pineapple juice. Like I know on the show, Samantha's cocktail looks almost like creamy white, and I've seen a lot of people's version. They do a lot of pineapple juice, but that's not what Absolut does. They pretty much just do a splash. Okay. All right. That's it. So let's see what happens. We're gonna add some ice in here. It looks a little yellow. Looks like a small cocktail. But hopefully it's delicious. Let's see. I think it's cold. I think it won't happen. Yep, that's cold. Alrighty, let's see how our hunky Absolut Hunk looks. Oh, up to me, it looks very close to the episode. Ooh, I'm proud of myself. It's just a hint of yellow. Samantha's more milky white. But obviously we all know the magic of television. But still, it's not as yellow as everyone else's. So one thing I remember from the episode was while she was drinking it and while the gay guys cheered to Smith, some of them looked like they almost had a lollipop in their cocktails garnish. I don't think it was a lollipop. I think it was, well, for me, what it looked like was a cherry in a spear, because the lollipop, the little red ball, was here. So there was space. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a cherry and put it in. God, I'm such an adult. What the? Okay. I have to stop doing this. This just popped up and jumped in my lap. The pressure of it jumped in my lap. All right. I'm going to start putting this for you guys to see. So if it pops up, you can watch it, because that is trying to kill me. I swear. It's trying to kill me. Anywho. Oh, I have one without a stem. Oh, cool. Okay, so I'm going to spear it. Alrighty. And just drop it in. And there you go. We have our Absolut Hunk. Yes, I dipped it in because that's how it looks when Samantha had it. Look at that little diamond for Sex in the City. Very posh, very posh. Let's see how he tastes. She's right. He tastes delicious. Ooh, that is so refreshing. Oh my God. I definitely taste the pineapple and the vanilla. Mainly the vanilla I taste. The pineapple is just a little hint in the background. I have so many dirty things I want to say to associate this cocktail with our favorite Absolut Hunk. I'm gonna calm myself down. I'm gonna calm myself down and be appropriate. And be appropriate for you guys. But this is delicious. She is right. Oh my God. Let me just put this like this so you guys can see the spear a little bit, because it's a diamond. It's a diamond. But just like a diamond, how beautiful and rare it is, so was Smith. He was one of those rare good guys that we hope are real and still out there in New York City. So for those real ones that are out there, I'm toasting this to you guys. And for all us single ladies, I hope we find those. One more sip. Oh my God, I did not expect this to be so good, but it's so good. Oh. Guys, you have to try it yourself. If you try it yourself, please let me know. Tag me on my Instagram about this and let me know how delicious it is and how much you enjoy it. Enjoy it with your Absolut Hunk. Let me know. Oh my God. This definitely deserves a like and subscribe. You better do it, because I'm going to make definitely more cocktails like this. This makes me so happy. It's going to make you happy. I swear. It's so good. Oh. On that note, I'm rambling. I'm going to let you go. Enjoy your cocktails. Enjoy your nights. Enjoy your Absolut Hunks, real or in your glass. Cheers, guys.